Warning. Bad jokes and rambling ahead. This Monday! Sale, sale, sale! Buy my merch! It's 50%. No, we're not doing that. In all seriousness, though, if you do want to buy some plans off my Etsy page, I did update my charging station to now have a drill holding implement underneath for all your cordless tools. So, where the heck have I been? Well, as usual, my day job keeps me quite busy spring through fall, but things are starting to slow down, so I'm going to start some projects, hopefully record them and share them with you folks. Of note, I've got a bookshelf project that's super simple, and I'd like to share with people. I think it's a great project for beginners. I've got a new toy. It's got this weird rope. I don't know if you're supposed to drag that across the wood with that, or... Oh, no, just kidding. Got this to help me flatten the slabs that I milled last summer. What was that, 2 summers ago? God, where does the time go? Anyhow, I'm also wanting to make benches out of the bits of round that would otherwise be scrap from those slabs. So I'll get that recorded and show you guys how that works out. Hopefully, if I remember and I get some more ideas, we can revisit the whiteboard on wood project. As far as how often I make videos, I'm going to try to lower the quantity a little, but increase the quality. I just downloaded DaVinci Resolve. That's obviously going to be a lot more robust than the other 3 options I've messed around with now that I've switched over to Linux. So yes, you can look forward to some videos coming out soon. If the subscribe and notification bell and all those things actually help you out, go ahead and click those. That said, this channel is not big enough to ever be picked up by the algorithm for thumbs ups or subscribes or watch views or anything like that. But if you are watching one of my project videos or one of my quick tips and you think it's helpful, please share it with somebody that you think might learn. So until next time, do I even have a sign out thing? No, I don't. We'll have to work on that. Hey Leif, I've got a great idea. Leave your dehumidifier on during that whole video so that you have to turn it off and reshoot everything.